With this, we have created these 3 zones, and I can run TopoSet to create these. There's some problem. This should be semicolon here, then TopoSet. These are the 3 zones which has been created, and we can check whether the zones are created. First, let's check here. These are the sets which has been created. Now we can write OM to VTK. You can type this to output each zone. Output zone 1. O is small. We can output this outlet zone 1 and outlet zone 2 as this, and then let's visualize them. Here, outlet zone 1, zone 2, and the internals. I'll switch this off, and you can see that these 2 are fine, but this is not. So clearly we have not selected the Z value correctly. Here I can go back to the TopoSetDict, and for this we can move this from 850. 750 is fine. This we can move to 950, and again to TopoSet, and then write this, and again visualize. Let me just open the first one, which was not coming correctly. Now we can see that it is coming correctly, and now this one will have the beta value equal to 0. The flow will go through these cells without any hindrance, and after that topology optimization will take place. Now with this, let's run. Let me just confirm that everything is fine. In the optimizationDict we have everything. Then in the fvScheme we can check from the tutorial whether we need anything. In the fvScheme we don't need anything new. With this, let's run. This says that this has missing or invalid percentage. Probably I have done a typo. Let's see, here we have, yeah, clearly it's a typo. So I'll make this. Now there was some problem. Let's see what was it. One thing that we have missed after creating these zones are running this function which converts sets to zones. Once we run this, it will create these zones from the cell sets. When you go to this in constant, you'll see these zones as well. These are the cell zones which it has created. Now what we have to do is again run this. If we run this, we'll get one more error, which is this Btilda not found in fvSolution. The Btilda is one more variable that we have to add. We'll add this here along with this pressure as done in the tutorials. To accept this, we need U and UA, which is here. M and MA, these are not required, but keeping them is not going to create an issue. Now again try running. Now this is running fine.